Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is me, Zach the Pinoy Vlogger. Today, I will show you the different coins and bills in the Philippines. Today, we have 6 peso bills and 7 peso coins. This is 1,000. The color is blue. This is 500. The color is yellow. This is 200. The color is green. This is 100. The color is purple. This is 50. The color is red. This is 20. The color is orange. This is 20 peso coins. This is 10 peso coins. This is 5 peso coins. This is 1 peso coin. This is 25 centavo coin. This is 5 centavo coin. This is 1 centavo coin. This time, let's add money to get equal value. To get 1,500 plus 500 equals 1,000. To get 500, 200 plus 200 plus 100 equals 500. To get 50, 20 pesos plus 20 pesos plus 10 pesos equals 50. Please remember that money is important so we can buy the things that we need, but we need to save money. Also, we should buy important things like food and water. Before I end, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is me, Zach the Pinoy Vlogger. See you on my next episode. Peace out. Bye guys.